Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number HS52. This is a box of 50 shims. When you buy one, you're buying a box of 50. And these are certainly common items, but they're less common, of course, than the 4.5-inch size. This is a 5-inch size, and you'll get 50 of these little Ziploc bags full of shims. These are 28 thousandths of an inch thick. And we're going to put that to the test. So they're basically, wow. They are basically a 32nd of an inch in thickness. And they're 5-inch tall. You're going to use this on hollow metal doors and frames that have a 5-inch preparation. Let's go over that. 5-inch. The overall width, about 1 7/16 inches. The thickness, 0.028. This will probably measure a little bit larger because these are punched, so there's a little flare on the end of this. But the caliper tells me 0.03. Okay, so that would account for the fact that I can tell that it's not completely flat on one side. But 0.03. Why is it slotted? Well, I asked that question one time too. That didn't make any sense. Why aren't there just holes? All you want to do is loosen the screws on the hinge and slide these in behind. And a lot of people will, if they need to take the door and not only shim it, but if they need to kind of tip it, maybe it's hinge bound, maybe it's sprung a little bit, they will take this material and cut it so that you're really just installing half of a shim, so you can move that door in or out this way while you're also doing that. And that's another use for these pieces of material. They're made of steel. They have this galvanized corrosion resistant coating on them. And again, it's a box of 50. When you buy one, that's what you're getting. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure that will allow you to review the 4.5-inch and the 5-inch shim, the packaging that they're sold in. You can do in the 5-inch 0.28 and then 0.065, so more than doubling this. And if you are someone who makes a living working on doors a lot, you are going to be very happy someday when you can go to your truck and pull some of these out, just having them on hand. And sure, you could double up and triple up the 0.28s, but it's nice to have a 65, an 0.65. Because it's thicker and you're not stacking all these hinge plates on each other. Okay. There is also in this description a link to the Rockwood filler plates, latch adapter plate, and hinge shims table. So Rockwood manufactures a whole mess of filler plates and adapter plates, and that link will allow you to review all of that material in a single chart, and you can even click through there to those individual items and review that material. So when it comes to shimming hollow metal doors and frames, this is really, I suppose a wood door too, you could, but typically hollow metal doors and frames. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Rockwood number HS52? Box of 50 0.028-inch thick shims, 5-inch tall, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.